Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be opening up some Funko Sodas. So we have a whole bunch of them. We have Doctor Strange, what's that, Visible Frodo Baggins, Star-Lord, Captain America, Underdog, another Lucky Charm one, Sully, Darth Vader, Luke Skywalker, Count Chocula, and Bilbo Baggins. I still have a few more coming yet, but they haven't arrived yet. I think I pre-ordered some. So we're going to take turns opening up the sodas and see if we can find the chases. So, okay, pick one out, Raul M. You can go first. Which one would you like? Or did you want to go first? Well, yeah, let him go first. She never gets openings. Lucky Charms. Okay, I think the chase for this, we have one already. I accidentally ordered two. But I think the chase for this is he's holding a bowl in his hand. Was it the other one just the Lucky Charm?
Is this what you find in there? Or?
Yeah, that's the regular one. We're looking for the chase because we had the regular one.
So there's different looking.
Yeah, the chase, you get a 1 in 6 chance of getting a chase. So you just open these up at the top. Sometimes they're a little hard to open. You have to put your nail in there. You see they open like that crack. Some are harder to open than others. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Don't look at the bottom because the bottom it tells you what you have. So just open it up, take that out. Don't let there's a pod in there.
It feels fuzzy.
Yes, it's in bubble wrap. Yeah.
No, it's a regular.
Yeah, the regular one. So someone will be getting that one.
What is that?
He's a double.
Is that a scarf? That's a scarf. I didn't know he had a scarf.
Okay, here's the pog for it. See the Lucky Charm guy, and just it's 1 out of 12,100. Okay, go ahead, Ryan. You want to go next? What else? Captain America. Okay. Captain America, I believe.
Show what the thing looks like.
Yeah, I believe with the chase for Captain America, he doesn't have his helmet on.
There we go.
Oh, you look, you got two of the next to table. We want the one without the helmet. Ta-da!
No.
Regular one. That's all right. We don't have any of these yet, so that's fine. All right, I'm gonna do this one here. I don't think there's a chase for this. I think this is just the invisible Bilbo Baggins or Frodo. I mean, it's him with the invisibility cloak. Let's see. This is a Funko exclusive. Okay.
Why did I have such a trouble with that?
Alright, so he's going to be so invisible you won't be able to see him. That's pretty cool looking. There he is.
What is it?
He's supposed to have his invisibility cloak on. So here he is. It just says Invisible Frodo Baggins, 1 out of 10,000. Alright, that's pretty cool.
With an eyeball in him.
The chase for this one is he's flocked. We're hoping for the chase because I'd love to have a flocked one. He's fuzzy.
Oh, fuzzy.
Yeah.
I hope we get that.
He's pretty big. He takes up like the whole can. It's like probably one of the biggest Funkos, I think, the sodas.
It hurts my nails to do that way.
Where did you get the tough ones?
It hurts.
Want me to try to get it for you?
Yeah.
Let me see. This is a little tougher.
Me too. Probably break my nails off.
There we go. Wait. There we go.
He's big.
Yeah, that's a big one. Like I said, I think he fills up the whole soda can now.
It doesn't look fuzzy. Reset. Nope.
Nope.
Nope. Look, he's got a little tooth.
Yeah.
Thing.
All right, Ryan, which one do you want to do next? Okay, so I think this one glows in the dark. It's Darth Vader.
1 out of 10,500. Hey, look, he like peeks out of there.
Yeah, it's like his little horns stick over the top.
Wait, what are you doing?
A Darth Vader.
Oh.
I think something glows. It's probably a lightsaber, I'm thinking, or something. They're trying to strangle him with that piece of tape. Or was that a rubber band? Is that a rubber band? Oh, it must be a little bobblehead. That was a bobblehead.
Bobblehead?
Huh. I wonder if that's the chase. Why don't you look in the thing, see what the pog says?
Did you show what the can looks like?
Nope. I don't think that was the chase. Wait, they made a bunch of those. What did it say, 16,000? Well, now 16,700. Wow. Yeah, this wasn't the chase. It's still kind of cool, though. I'm going to do the other one that doesn't have a flocked or a chase. I think this one doesn't have a chase. This is actually the international version, and there were only 2,500 of these made. This is supposed to be metallic. All right. All right, yeah, it's a metallic version of them. He's like, Mwahaha.
Do you know what half of these are?
Yeah, pretty much.
Do you know what underdog
yeah,
is?
1,000, or 2,500. We're not 2,500. Yeah, back there. Okay. Which one did you pick? Star-Lord. Okay, so the regular is him with the mask on. The chase is him without the mask, and he's holding the Walkman. So I'm hoping for the one without the...
I don't know who any of these are.
It's Chris Pratt.
Oh, I got off easily. I looked. I didn't.
So hopefully it's one with no mask. No mask, no mask. Ah, dang.
It's stinky.
Yeah. We got any chases over yet?
That's okay.
That's alright. I needed them anyway, so it doesn't matter. So there's 12,500 of those, it looks like. Alright, Ryan. So what's left here? Which one of those you want? Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange. Let me think what the chase for that is. I forget. Is he going to Doctor Strange? I don't remember what the chase is for Doctor Strange. I don't know if he glows or what's with that. Watch the one I don't know what the chase is. Look at the chase is. Oh, I think he's blue. I think that's what it is. I think like the whole figure's blue. Almost like a hologram or something, maybe.
Nope, I saw red.
You saw red. That's right. I think I like the regular one better anyway for this one. There we go.
What do you feel like?
Okay, so these are the 3 left. Do you want me to do this one? Because you guys don't really know.
Do whatever you want.
You guys don't really know what Lord of the Rings are. I think I've ever seen it.
Yeah, we've watched it a little bit. I don't.
Oh, the lid here. Okay, I guess I'll do Bilbo Baggins next.
Wait, the bobblehead came with a stand?
Oh, yeah, it did come with a stand, yeah. A lot of the Star Wars figures, I think, do come with stands. So this one here, I think I'd rather have the regular because the chase looks kind of crazy. He has like a crazy expression. So I'd probably want the regular version instead.
You're gonna end up getting it crazy.
Probably. It just looked awkward. Let's see. And okay, good. These it's a regular one.
Here's
A little cane.
the can.
I'll put that guy over there. And it's one out of how many?
8,400.
Okay, your turn, Em. It's your last turn. Okay, for this one,
What the dog?
we have one of these already. The chase is him as the shoe shine boy.
But you, which one do you have?
I had the underdog.
Oh.
I used to watch that when I was a kid. Come on, shoe shine boy.
I don't even know what that means.
That was his disguise. Nope, underdog again.
He ain't got much hair. What is that? Oh, it's a U. That's cool.
Yeah, how many's for the...
Oh my god. 6,700.
Yeah, that's not too many. Alright, and Ryan, you get the very last one, buddy. Luke Skywalker. I believe the chase for this is him with his hand cut off.
Oh, wish we did that one.
A little creepy, but... Luke Skywalker.
You're doing great.
Does he have a hand? I think he has a hand.
Oh my god.
Can you get him out of the bag? Yeah, I think. Oh,
He's got a
see,
stand
yeah,
too.
stand. Must be the Star Wars ones. Must have stands with them. Rubber, is that a rubber band? Probably a bobblehead. I haven't a jaw wall coming yet.
I'm getting stressed out just watching you do this.
I had the
Okay.
is it Frodo Baggins coming. Who's that blue guy in Guardian of the Galaxies? Do you remember his name, Ryan? That was kind of acting like Star-Lord's dad. I forget what his.
I have no idea.
Yeah, he's coming yet too. Yeah, I have a few coming yet. And there's the pog. All right, and I guess that was it for today. Anybody have a favorite or anything? Your favorite?
I didn't know half of them.
You didn't know half them. Ryan, do you have a favorite girl?
Oh no, this one. Sorry.
Oh, Sully?
Yeah.
Yeah, too bad he wasn't Flock. That would have been awesome.
Probably this one.
Darth Vader. I think I like the invisible, Bulbo bag is wherever he got to. I think that was probably my favorite. Oh, this one here. Ah! Oh, Frodo. I keep calling him Bilbo. That was Frodo. I think that was probably my favorite. So, alright. Alright, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again on the next one. Alright, bye.
Bye.